I am so excited to share these amazing pieces from J.Crew Factory with you today. And this is my first time doing a J.Crew Factory haul, so I would love to know in the comments below if you want me to continue to do these and if you love their clothing, because I was pretty impressed. And so thank you so much for watching, and as always, remember to love your neighbor and be kind. I am such an earring fanatic, so I had to pick these up because they're hot pink and made out of straw and glass beads. And I just thought they were so cute with the gold hardware as well. And these come in four other colors and they were only $20. And I'm going to give you kind of the price around about what I paid for the items because they have varying discounts every day. So but I want you to have an idea of around an average price that you might pay for these items. So the second item is this cardigan, and I fell in love with this because of the texture. I think it just looks really rich and beautiful and expensive, and it also has gold metal buttons that are really nice. And I also love that it was a V-neck cardigan. A lot of the ones that I see are the button-up ones that you wear as a top, and they're crew necks. So this one I thought was really special, and I'm going to be able to wear it over lots of different tops and dresses and things. And you could button it up, maybe put a camisole underneath it if you wanted to. And this one is cotton polyamide and acrylic, and it comes in an ivory that's really beautiful as well. And I paid about $50 for this one, so I thought that was a really, really good piece. And I'm going to have this. I think this is very classic, so you can wear it year after year. And another favorite piece was this cute little popover top in cotton poplin. So 100% cotton. It's so soft and comfortable. And I absolutely fell in love with the hot pink and the white flowers. And it is a little bit of a low top. So you might want to put a little cami underneath it or get a little, they didn't put a button or anything there. So I was kind of surprised it was that low, but you know what? I'll make it work. And it is one of those that I have it tucked in because I thought it looked better that way, but it does have kind of your high-low curved hem. So really, really cute. And I think you can absolutely wear this out, or you can tuck it in fully or front tuck it like I did. So there's a lot of options with this one. And it comes in three other colors, which I loved all of them. I think I might have to pick up another one because I am just missing pieces like this in my closet that I can do a lot of things with, because I think it's great layered underneath the cardigan as well, or wear it by itself. And just a really good one. And I'm wearing my true size, and I paid about $50 for this one. And the jeans I have on, I love J.Crew, just regular J.Crew jeans. I have never bought J.Crew factory jeans, and these are fantastic. It's a wonderful high-rise wide leg that has the trouser cuff, which I don't have any jeans that have the trouser cuff in my wide leg options. So I absolutely loved this one. And it's in their all-day stretch, which is cotton and spandex, just a little bit of spandex, but it's so soft and nice and stretchy. And I loved the inseam. I think it's a 30-inch inseam, so it was perfect for my 5'4" height. But I think it does come in petite and tall as well. A lot of their pants do. And this one, I got my normal size 25, and I should have sized down because it is quite big, which is why I put on my belt, which is from Amazon. I'll link this in a pinned comment for you if you're interested, but this is a great little tan belt. But they were quite big, and I was surprised. So I would definitely size down in these, but I absolutely love them. And these shoes also came from J.Crew Factory, and boy, am I impressed. These are just a canvas. They called it silver canvas because there's a silver metallic strap, and they are embellished with the cute little buckle. And I like the espadrille wedges so much, and this one I am absolutely loving. It is going to be a good addition to my wardrobe. But I'll take it off so you can see. And it has really nice padding. And then there's a really grippy sole here. And then that cute little, it's pearl and rhinestones on the buckle. So this is a really good one. You can wear this with so many things because it is very, very neutral. So this was one of my favorites too. I think I started off with all of my favorite pieces, but I definitely have a ton more to show you. That's awesome. And to finish the outfit, I would just do a cute little maybe raffia and faux leather bag. This is a new one I've just added from Amazon that is gorgeous. And I mean, they did a really good job on this, and it was not, I think it was under $50 as well, but such a cute bag. And I don't think I said the price on the jeans. The jeans were about $80 and the shoes were about 75. So you have really, really nice pieces here that make a cute outfit for spring and summer that I think would stay in your closet for a really long time. I am so excited about this dress because it's 100% cotton and so very soft and comfortable. And I love that it has this little ruffle collar and then there's a button here that closes it off that is actually the same material as the dress. So it's just really well finished. There's a lot of good details that make it look super expensive. And it has a great little puff short sleeve that's really comfortable. And there is a side zip to help you get into it. And then it has a nice elastic waist here, and I think you could belt it and it would be really pretty. It also has perfect pockets and then a midi length with this just one tiered layer that's kind of ruffled, and it's just such a pretty dress. And it has a very nice A-line skirt and it fits so good. I think a lot of different body shapes could wear this. And it does come in another color, which is blue and white stripes, so it's a little bit more subtle, but I loved the green. It's just beautiful with the navy and the blues and whites. And I think that cardigan I just had on would be a perfect layer over it. And so this one is my true size and I paid about $70 for it, which I think is such a great deal. Oh, and I left out that it's lined, which is very nice. So just a really good dress that you could wear for years and years. And the shoes, I'm so excited about these because I've been looking for a gold sandal that was not dressy and wasn't a wrap sandal that's up the ankle. And so these were so perfect. They have kind of a croc texture to them and they're a shiny gold, which is so pretty. But since they have the texture, it's not too in your face. And I love that there is a very short heel on these. And then they just have that one strap around the ankle. So these are awesome. They're really comfortable and they look a little bit dressed up, but they're a low heel. And I know a lot of you probably need a shoe like this. I know I do. So this was perfect. And it does come in 3 other colors, which I might have to add the black. I think I need a black one like this. And they were $50, which was really good. It's just a faux leather. They do have, I'll have to look at the bottom. The bottom has some grip on it and they are flexible. Some of you want to know that. And these are flexible and really easy to wear. So one of those perfect sandals that's hard to find. And to finish this outfit, I would just put on a really pretty ivory bag or maybe even white if you wanted to, but the white is a little muted, so I think you could go either way. And this had the gold hardware, so I thought it was a nice match to the dress. And this is by Quince. It's a real leather quilted bag that looks a little Chanel. And it has nice compartments on the inside. And I just think it's that perfect size when you're a little bit dressed up in a dress and you need something nice to wear. And it is real leather. And it also has that back pocket that's really good. And you can also make it a little longer, crossbody it, whatever you want to do. And this is a little bit more expensive since it's real leather, but I just thought it was a great finisher for this outfit. I do want to start off with my necklace because it is from J.Crew Factory and it's a nice chain link necklace that has pearl beads on it as opposed to rhinestones, which is something I think we see a lot. So I thought the pearl beads made it a little bit more interesting and fun. And this was $20. So it is just gold plated and kind of costume jewelry, but it's really comfortable and very, very pretty. And there is a bracelet that matches it as well. So I'll link that if you're interested. And the sweater I have on is called the crew neck beach sweater. And I know why they call it that because it's so lightweight and soft. And I would totally wear this to the beach. So if you're going on vacation, this is a good thing to have. And it's in this beautiful lavender mist color. And they've mixed the stitch with white stitching, and so it creates this beautiful heathered look. And it's a nice relaxed fit with a slit in each side, and I think the length was absolutely perfect on this. So it's just one of those perfect spring and summer sweaters that you just want to be cozy and comfy in and wear every day. And it does come in 5 colors, and I think I paid around $55 for it. And I have it on with these lavender mist high-rise patch pocket wide legs, and I thought this was a really beautiful combination together. And these are a new color they've added because there's 9 colors available in this pant, so they must be a very popular pant on J.Crew Factory's website. And so they're a really nice fit. They have patch pockets in the back as well, and they are super comfortable. I have absolutely loved having these on, and I'm wearing the classic or the regular length, and it's a 30-inch inseam, which was perfect with my flat shoes, which is what I want to wear with these, but they do come in petite and tall as well. And they are also cotton, viscose, linen, and elastane. So the material is very interesting, but so soft, and there is quite a bit of stretch, and I think they're going to stretch out a little bit. So these feel really good, and I am wearing my true size, and that's what I would recommend in these. And I have them on with these shoes, which are from Target, and these are just a tan little retro sneaker that is a lookalike to a Miu Miu sneaker that is about $600. So I thought these were a better option, and this is a trend, so it's a big trend right now, and the thin soles are still really comfortable, and I just fell in love with these. And I have a purple pair, which I didn't want to put all purple on, from Dolce Vita, and they're about $145. I'll link those if you want to look at them, if you want something real suede, but these are just a material, and for $35, I thought it was a really good option. And I didn't mention the pants are where I paid, I think, $60 for, so really good pant, and you've got lots of options there. So I do have another way that I want to put this outfit together, so I'm going to show you that next. So if you like to layer, another good way to wear these pieces is to just put a cute little t-shirt on, and then you can drape the sweater over your shoulders, and then if you get cold, you can just throw the sweater on. So I wanted to show you this, and I just kind of rolled the cuffs up together to hold it in place, and I don't really like always tying them, so you could do that, or you could just let it hang down and just kind of play with it, whatever you want to do with it. But I do want to tell you about this t-shirt because it is from J.Crew Factory, and I like it when I can find white t-shirts that are not super see-through. And for $20, this is a great white tee, and it has a nice easy scoop neck, and they call it a girlfriend fit, so it's just nice and relaxed. And I did get my true size in this, and I think it's just perfect. But it comes in 4 other colors too, so if you need good t-shirts, this one I think is great, and I am just loving it, and I thought it was a cute combination to put these pieces together with. So now for another great dress that I think is so versatile. And this one they're calling the mixie dress, which I thought was so cute. And the mixie is because this is cotton and spandex at the top, so it's fitted and stretchy, but then you have the skirt that is just cotton poplin, and it's nice and loose and just feels so good, and it has perfect pockets here. So this dress is great if you just need a daytime dress that you want to wear and just wear it all season long, but you could also swap out your shoes and dress it up a bit. So I love the versatility of this one, and I'm wearing my true size in it. It does come in 1 other color, and I paid around $70 for it, which I thought was really good. And I want to say I love their cotton poplin. Some people's cotton poplin I don't love because it makes a lot of crunchy noise, but this one does not, and it's so soft. And the same for the poplin top that I had on earlier that was pink with the white flower. So just want to note that it's really good. And I have this dress on with these amazing mesh embroidered Mary Janes that are also from J.Crew Factory, and I could not believe how amazing their shoes were. I've never tried them before, and I just thought these were really cute, and I thought they were a very fun addition to kind of a solid color, plain little dress. I think they help make it a little bit more interesting, and I want to pull them off so you can see the little flowers close up, but they're pink and red and green, and I just thought against the nude shoe that they just looked really cool. So love these, and they're nice and flexible and have a good bit of padding in there. So I am wearing my true size in all of their shoes, and they fit me really well. So I've really enjoyed putting these on. And I would also add a cute little pink bag, which this one is from Amazon, and I've had this for a couple years, and I have loved it. And you can unzip this, and it has a lot of room on the inside with a striped inside, which I think is cute. And there's a nice little crossbody strap, but This is a great little bag. And I think it was under $50. It might have been around $30. So really good one. I thought it was a cute addition to this. And I'm thinking I didn't mention the price of the shoes. I think the shoes were about $75. So I was so impressed with this chambray top because it's short sleeve, which a lot of chambray tops are long sleeve. So I thought that was great. And it's 100% cotton, and it has this really cute collar that has ruffles on the edge, and it's also rounded as opposed to pointed. So I just thought it was a little bit more interesting. And then it has the puff in the sleeve at the shoulder. So this one fits so nice. I'm wearing my true size in it, and I have it tucked in, so I'll pull it out. And I think it's a good length. So if you wanted to wear it out, you could, or you could tuck it in, and it has the nice rounded hems on it as opposed to the straight across hems. And this one only came in this color, and I'm wearing my true size in it, and I paid about $55 for it. And I have it on with these white jeans, which are a really good white jean. They're a nice stark white. They have a high rise. It's a button fly. And then they call it the stove pipe. So it's just a really good straight leg. And I think really good straight legs are very hard to find. And this one fits really, really nicely. And it is just a regular length. And I think it's a 28-inch inseam, but it comes in petite and tall. And I am wearing my true size in this one. I did order a 25, and it fits perfectly. So really the only one I should size down in was the wide leg at the beginning. And the one constructive criticism I have about these is they made the pocket too long here. I don't know if you can see that, but I really wish they would have shortened the pocket. But you could shorten it yourself, or I think once you wear them and they start to stretch out a bit and wrinkle up, you won't be able to see that. But the pocket is a little bit of a darker material. It's not quite tan, but it's almost like a light beige, so they don't show through. You can just see the texture of it, which kind of drives me crazy sometimes. But they are a really good pair of jeans, and they are $50, which is what I paid for them. And I think that's a really great deal for a nice pair of jeans. And these are a mixture of cotton and I think polyester and spandex. So they're really soft and stretchy and very comfortable. And I have them on with the wedges again because I thought that was a good look going back with the denim. And I already talked about these, so I will tell you about my bag. So I would put this cute little white bag with this outfit since I have white jeans on. And this is my little cute, some people called it a bubble bag from Amazon. And it is a designer lookalike that they did a really good job with. And there is a larger version in this style too. And it comes in a slew of other colors. But this is a really good white bag if you need a white bag for spring and summer. I have really enjoyed it. And there is a crossbody strap or shoulder strap if you wanted to do that with it as well. One thing I have always loved from J.Crew and J.Crew Factory are their graphic tees. And this one is a Greetings from London graphic tee that I thought was adorable. And it's just a really nice fit as well. And the cotton is so incredibly soft. And it's just one of those easy t-shirts to throw on with your shorts or pants or jeans in the summertime. And I did size up in this one to a small because I wanted it to be a little bit looser. Sometimes their t-shirts can run small, but I actually think I probably could have worn it in my normal size, but this is fine with me. I'll be keeping the small, but it does come in 8 different designs, and I paid $25 for it. So really cute, and I'm gonna enjoy wearing it. So I did style it in an outfit with some gold. So I added back the jeans that are the wide leg jeans from the beginning of the video, and then a black belt with gold grommets, which is a very big trend right now. And I got this from Amazon, and it looks really expensive, so I will link it for you if you're interested. And then I put the gold little sandals back on with it and thought this was just a fun look for this time of year. And if it is a little bit chilly, you can throw on the navy cardigan. And I just thought this was a fun little combination that you could do that would be really cute to transition into the spring and early spring, and then just add back a cute little bag and you've got a fun little on-trend look. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. And if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing if you have not yet. It will definitely help us grow. And I will provide a try on haul playlist for you if you want to check out any of my other really good spring try on hauls. So thanks again, and I'll talk to you next time.